a breath of fresh air. The importance of a pleasant home cannot be overstated. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, places of peace and rejuvenation, where we can escape the stresses of the outside world. A clean and fresh-smelling home contributes significantly to our well-being, making us feel more relaxed and happy. When we step into a space filled with pleasant aromas, our mood lifts and we feel instantly at ease, ready to unwind. Conversely, lingering bad odors can be distracting, creating a sense of unease and discomfort that can affect our daily lives. Unpleasant smells can also be a sign of underlying issues like mold or mildew, which can have negative impacts on our health and well-being. Creating a fresh and inviting atmosphere in our homes is essential for our overall well-being, helping us to feel more at peace. By addressing the root causes of bad odors and implementing natural solutions, such as using essential oils or natural air fresheners, we can transform our living spaces into havens of peace and tranquility, where we can truly relax and recharge. Unmasking the culprits, identifying sources of unpleasant odors. Before we can effectively eliminate bad odors, we need to identify their origins. Common culprits include lack of ventilation, allowing stale air and odors to linger. Cooking, especially frying, can leave behind strong, persistent smells. Pets, while beloved companions, can also contribute to unpleasant odors. Mold and mildew, often found in damp and poorly ventilated areas, release a musty odor. Garbage bins, if not emptied regularly, are breeding grounds for bacteria and unpleasant smells. Even everyday items like shoes, gym bags, and laundry baskets can harbour odours if not aired out properly. Nature's air purifiers, harnessing the power of plants. These green companions not only beautify our homes, but also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Plants are nature's air purifiers, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, which can help improve air quality and reduce odours. They act as natural filters, making our living spaces fresher and more breathable. Certain plants, like peace lilies, spider plants, and English ivy, are particularly effective at this. These plants not only look beautiful, but also work hard to keep the air clean, are known for their air purifying properties. They can remove toxins and pollutants from the air, making it safer for us to breathe. Place these plants strategically around your home to combat odours and create a healthier indoor environment. Position them in areas where you spend the most time, like the living room or bedroom. Beyond their air purifying abilities, plants also introduce a touch of nature and vibrancy to our living spaces. They can transform a dull room into a lively and inviting space. Their presence can have a calming and restorative effect, further enhancing our sense of well-being. The sight of lush greenery can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Choose plants that thrive in your home's lighting and humidity levels, and enjoy the beauty and freshness they bring. With the right care, these plants can flourish and continue to purify the air for years to come. Aromatic allies. Essential oils for a refreshing ambiance. These natural wonders can transform any space into a sanctuary of tranquility and rejuvenation. Essential oils, derived from aromatic plants, offer a natural and effective way to freshen up your room and create a pleasant ambiance. They are extracted through processes like steam distillation and cold pressing, ensuring the purest essence of the plant is captured. Lavender essential oil is renowned for its calming and relaxing properties, making it perfect for unwinding after a long day. On the other hand, citrus oils like lemon and orange invigorate the senses and uplift the mood, providing a burst of energy and positivity. Tea tree oil possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective in combating odors caused by mold and mildew. It's a powerful ally in maintaining a clean and fresh environment. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to a diffuser and let the aroma fill your room, creating a spa-like atmosphere. This simple addition can transform your home into a personal retreat. You can also make your own natural air freshener by combining water, essential oils, and a splash of witch hazel in a spray bottle. This DIY solution is not only effective, but also free from harmful chemicals. Experiment with different oil combinations to find your perfect scent profile. Whether you prefer floral, citrus, or earthy tones, there's a blend out there that will resonate with your senses and enhance your living space. Section 5. The power of fresh air. Ventilation for a healthier home. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining a fresh and healthy indoor environment. Opening windows and doors for at least 15 to 20 minutes each day allows fresh air to circulate, flushing out stale air and odors. Use fans strategically to improve airflow, especially in areas prone to dampness, like bathrooms and kitchens. Consider investing in an air purifier, especially if you live in an area with high pollution levels or suffer from allergies. Air purifiers with HEPA filters can effectively remove dust, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne particles that can contribute to unpleasant odors. Section 6. Deep cleanse, fresh start. Tackling odors at their source. Sometimes a thorough cleaning is necessary to eliminate persistent odors. Start by identifying and removing the source of the odor, whether it's a moldy shower grout, a smelly trash can, or a pet accident. Clean affected areas with a mixture of water and white vinegar, a natural disinfectant and deodorizer. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets and upholstery to absorb odors. Let it sit for a few hours, then vacuum thoroughly. Wash bedding, curtains, and other fabrics regularly to prevent odors from building up. Remember, a clean and clutter-free home is essential for maintaining a fresh and inviting atmosphere. Section 7. Simple habits, big impact. Maintaining a fresh-smelling room. Once you've tackled the root causes of bad odors and implemented natural solutions, simple habits can help maintain a fresh-smelling room. Make it a habit to open windows daily for ventilation. Empty trash cans regularly and clean them with a vinegar solution to neutralize odors. Store shoes in a well-ventilated area or use shoe deodorizers to prevent odors. Wash pet bedding frequently and groom your furry friends regularly to minimize pet-related smells. By incorporating these simple practices into your routine, you can enjoy a consistently fresh and inviting home environment. Section 8. Beyond odor control. Creating a holistic sensory experience. Creating a pleasant home environment goes beyond just eliminating bad odors. It's about engaging all our senses to create a truly inviting and harmonious space. Incorporate elements that appeal to your sense of sight, touch, and sound, along with smell. Soft lighting, comfortable textures, calming colors, and soothing sounds all contribute to a sense of peace and tranquility. Add fresh flowers for a touch of natural beauty and fragrance. Light scented candles or burn incense to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Section 9. Embrace the joy of freshness. A final word. A fresh and inviting home is essential for our well-being and happiness. By understanding the causes of bad odors and embracing natural solutions, we can transform our living spaces into havens of peace and tranquility. Let's choose natural methods like plants, essential oils, and proper ventilation to eliminate odors and create a healthier indoor environment. Remember, a clean, fresh, and inviting home is a reflection of our inner peace and joy.